Hi guys, and welcome back to this journey towards excellent exam results. In these shorter revision videos, we are going to be breaking down different concepts within the Geography GCSE specification. The aim of this is to help us understand the concepts better and to give us the information and confidence we need to answer the exam questions. In today's video, we are going to be talking about development inequality in India. We will compare two contrasting regions, Maharashtra and Bihar. This information is relevant for all GCSE geography specifications. Okay, let's get started. In this section, we are going to look at unequal development in India. So India's rapid urbanization has led to wealth being concentrated in urban areas where most of the economic activity is taking place. And this has led to huge contrasts between urban and rural areas, with the wealthy areas being referred to as the urban cores and the rural areas being referred to as the rural periphery. Now, the two contrasting areas that we'll be discussing today, as you can see on the map, are Maharashtra, which is the urban core, and Bihar, which is the rural periphery. So starting with Maharashtra then, it's India's richest core region, and it has the highest GDP in India. So GDP, we said, is the gross domestic product, which is the total value of goods and services that are generated in an area. So this is the area that generates the most wealth for India. Now Mumbai, which is the largest city in India, is located in this region. And it's actually, according to our specification, one of the main case studies that we are going to be looking at later on. Now, Maharashtra has a large service industry, and the services here that are provided include banking, IT, and call centers. There's also a large manufacturing sector in the core, which means that they are also generating a lot of money from factories in this core region. And it also has the largest port in the country, which means that trade can take place between India and other countries within this particular region. There's also a large construction industry. And as you can imagine, because of rural to urban migration to this area, it means that housing is required, and that obviously then leads to that large construction industry. And Mumbai is also home to Bollywood, which is the world's largest film industry. And that is again located in this Maharashtra region of India. Now, if we contrast that then to Bihar, which is the rural periphery, this here is India's poorest state. 86% of its population is rural, and those people who live in these rural areas normally normally have a subsistence lifestyle, which is where they grow enough food for themselves and their family. So they don't sell anything to anybody else and therefore remain fairly poor. Now, the literacy rates in Bihar as well are fairly low, and they are at 47%. So almost half of the people that live in Bihar cannot read or write. Now, that obviously has serious implications in terms of them finding employment and being able to support themselves. The society in Bihar as well is very caste-based. Now, as we discussed earlier, the caste system or the caste system in urban areas is beginning to get eroded because people are marrying outside their social class in most of the urban areas. But because Bihar is a rural periphery area, it's very social class based. Then lastly, the last feature rather of Bihar is that there is very little investment from the government in Bihar and from TNCs as well. So because of that, economic development there is very limited. That brings us to the end of this video on development inequality in India. I hope that you have found the information useful. I have also done a video on the impacts of development in India. It will be linked in the description below and will also pop up as a suggested video at the end of this one. Thanks once again for joining in this journey towards excellent exam results. All the best and see you again soon. Bye-bye.